Hi friends, it's me, Raven. Here's a business idea that doesn't get nearly enough attention. Small businesses collect more data than ever before. Sales, marketing, inventory, customer inquiries, website traffic. The problem isn't getting the data, it's knowing what to do with it. Most business owners end up staring at spreadsheets that don't answer the question they actually care about. How is my business doing? That's where you come in. You don't need to become a data scientist. You don't need to build custom software. You just need to help business owners see what's already sitting in front of them. Today, we're talking about starting an AI-powered business intelligence dashboard service. Think about your local gym, a cafe, a retail store, a marketing agency. Most of them already have the information they need. It's spread across Excel files, Google Sheets, their accounting software, their CRM, and maybe a few sticky notes. Your job is to bring it together into one dashboard that's easy to understand. Instead of 20 spreadsheets, they open one page. Instead of hunting for numbers, they immediately see what's going well and what needs attention. The tools are already available: Power BI, Looker Studio, ChatGPT. You don't need to code everything yourself. Power BI or Looker Studio can connect to the data. Then ChatGPT can help turn the numbers into plain English. Instead of showing a client a graph, you can also show them a short summary explaining what changed that month. That's often the part people remember. Here's something a lot of beginners get wrong. They try to build the dashboard with the most charts. Don't. A business owner usually isn't asking for more graphs. They're asking for answers. 5 useful KPIs are almost always better than 20 confusing ones. If someone opens your dashboard and understands it in 30 seconds, you've probably done a good job. Pick one niche: retail stores, marketing agencies, coaches, and consultants. Learn the numbers that matter to that industry. Then build one dashboard you can reuse. Every new client becomes a variation of something you've already built. That's much easier than starting from scratch every time. Before you look for clients, build a sample. Use publicly available data, or make up a fictional business. Create a clean dashboard. Add a one-page summary. Record a short walkthrough explaining what each section means. Now people can actually see what they're buying. That removes a lot of the uncertainty. Once you've got your sample, start talking to people. You don't need hundreds of cold emails. Start with business owners you already know. Offer to review the reports they're using today. You might find they're tracking everything manually or not tracking anything at all. Both can become opportunities. When you price the service, don't just think about building the dashboard. Think about maintaining it, updating the data, answering questions, making improvements over time. A one-time setup fee is common. Many people also charge a monthly retainer to keep everything current. That gives you recurring income instead of constantly chasing the next project. One mistake I'd avoid is automating everything on day one. It's tempting. But if you've never delivered this service before, doing the first few projects manually teaches you where the real bottlenecks are. Once you've repeated the same task a few times, then automate it. You'll end up with a much better process. The numbers can be surprisingly good. Some freelancers charge between $500 and $1,500 to build a dashboard. Others charge $400 to $700 every month to keep it updated and provide ongoing reports. Even a handful of long-term clients can turn into a healthy side income. If I were starting today, I'd keep it simple. Choose one industry, build one dashboard, show it to 5 business owners, listen to their feedback, then improve it before trying to scale. Simple usually beats complicated, especially at the beginning. I'm Raven, helping you find practical AI business opportunities. I'll see you in episode 5. Subscribe and join the hustle.